Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another Splendies package. So let's get in and let's get into the package. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, today we're opening up another Splendies package. Now first I want to address one thing. You guys know there's things that are happening. If you're not watching in America, there are things that are happening in this world, and I knew that if I tried to make a video based on what's happening in our country, I would definitely break down. So if you want to see what my thoughts are on that, definitely check out my blog. It'll be under the video, so you guys can check that out if you're interested. But otherwise, we're back to Splendies, and I have a lot to say. So if you want to check that out, definitely check that out. Okay. So first, Splendies. For those of you who don't know, Splendies is a monthly subscription, and basically that's what we do here. We open up different subscriptions that I actually use, not just super random subscriptions that are out there, because I don't know about you, but I don't like to waste my money at all. So I do different subscriptions, but this one is actually the one that I actually get every month. I actually share the subscription with my daughter. So 1 month it'll be mine, and then the next month it'll totally be hers. So this month is actually, I don't know, I have to figure out once I open up the package to see who's gonna keep the stuff. But if you want to save like 50%, I believe there is a 50% code. Definitely gonna put it in the, I'll put it underneath the video so you guys can check that out. If you want to give this one a try, but you want to save some cash too, there's always gonna be a code in the video, so, or underneath the video, so definitely check that out. But they send you 3 new underwear every month, and it goes up to, I believe it's 4X, but their information will be on the website, so you guys can check that out. Now this package I actually opened. If you've been following my channel, you guys know that I've recently moved, so I didn't know if this was a different type of packaging. If you ever watched any of my other Splendies, it's usually like a pink envelope, so I'm not too sure why this one's is different, but it doesn't matter. So I did open it up because I thought there was the packaging was actually inside, but it wasn't. All right. So usually and always it does come in this little wrapping here of like an underwear burrito almost. So they wrap it up in tissue, and you see there it has the Splendies sticker. So this one, I don't like to waste my money. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. I don't like to waste my money. So when you see me open up any subscriptions on this one, it's because I get value out of it. I don't know about you, but I work full-time job, so I don't have like super extra money to get all these subscriptions. So if you watch my channel, this is something that usually I believe in, or I love getting the product. So this one, it's almost been probably a year since I've had the subscription. So just want to give you guys an idea so you guys can see what came for the month of May. Now, every time you do a subscription, it actually comes in the end of the month. So this is actually for May, and then you'll get your next package the end of the next month. So June will be next. So yes, we're opening up for May. All right, so the first one I have here, these are super cute. So the first one I have here, you see there's checkered, and then it's actually laced, outlined on all. And let me see. So this one says, these are Splendies brand. They do make their own underwears too. Similar to like other companies, they'll mix it up. So this one has a retail value of $12. So you guys can see that there. And then the next one I have here, these are also $12. So this one is kind of like a lilac color. I don't know if you guys can see that there. More so lilac, and then white at the top, so like a white trim. And then let me see. So here, you see the sides seem to be laced, and then it's like a spandex kind of underwear. So the sides are laced, and then spandex. These are like those no-line underwears. So you can wear that with like a fancy dress and things like that. So those, I've had those before. Those are super, super comfy. Okay, and then the next one, be aware, the next ones are super, super see-through. So you guys can probably see that. So this is, they're outlined also, and this is also $12. Hold on, so you guys can see it better. And they're lace, again, totally see-through. So if you like just getting a variety of undies, this is actually what you want to take a look at. to get. So let's do a recap. So we have the navy blue. These are navy blue, dark blue. So these are see-through. And then we have like the no line undies in like lilac and white. And then we have these, which are laced, outlined, and then not see-through. So what did you guys think about this subscription? Like I said, I've had it for a year, and because I can share this one with my daughter, we've always gotten benefit because I don't like the style, I just give it to her. Maybe you have like a friend or a sister or something you can share it with, but we've always got benefit. I don't think there's ever been one undies that we've gotten that we actually haven't liked. So usually one of us is gonna like these. So I definitely love them. The quality, let's talk about the quality. The quality is always good. None of my underwear for the last year, so I can say this is like a year update for you guys. None of the undies that I've gotten for the last year have ever been worn out after the year. So they definitely have good quality. And I would definitely recommend this. So like I said, I've never, if you go to my blog, I never review any subscriptions, especially because I hate to waste money. I never review any subscriptions that just because I want to waste money. I review subscriptions that I'm actually using. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried Splendies at all. Let me know what you think about it. I think they're definitely worth it because they're not expensive at all. And all of us can use a pair of fresh undies, right? Every year, I don't know about you, but I always have like a drawer full of undies and I'm like, I need to throw stuff away. This gives you an excuse to throw your old stuff away without having to go to the store. So hope you guys enjoy this video. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good day, guys.